What's in the box?
Hi, and welcome to Photography. For today's What's in the Box, we got a package from my good friend, Jedi Lex. So let's get this open and see what's inside. So one thing that's really cool is I got a Jedi Lex sticker and a Beyond Tatooine sticker, which is really, really cool to me. So really thank you. That's awesome, Lex. I really appreciate that. And what I got from Lex is So what I got from Jedi Lex is none other than the concept series Darth Vader, but the Disney exclusive. So this one is kind of interesting, different than the other one I have, because it's got more rounded features and a shorter helmet kind of piece. So really, really excited to have this one. Let's get him out of the box and see what he looks like. Very cool. Really like this one. It's a different pose. Has that McQuarrie look to it. That inspiration from his original drawings is you definitely can see that in this. Really cool looking. Again, I love the color. It's even more metallic than the previous one that I've had. And it's got a silver base, and that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the other one as well, and we can compare them. All right. So I wanted to just compare and look at the two of them. This one is so different, and I'm really glad I got this. So thank you so much, Lex. This is something I really wanted in the collection. I'm a huge Vader fan. But that is just really cool looking. Dude, they look really cool to have as both of the concept series Vader. So really, really pumped for this one. Thank you, Lex. I missed out on getting this one. I thought I had an opportunity to get it at a Five Below. I went to all the ones in my area, turned up nothing. So thank you so much. Very excited to have this. So let me put this on the turntable by itself. Then I'll put them on the turntable together so you can get a better look and compare to both of them. And tell me what your thoughts are down below. Which pop do you like more? Which one would you get? Or like I just love them both. So tell me if you like them both as well. Anyway, let's take a look at these on the turntable. If you enjoyed this kind of content, please hit the like, definitely hit the subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of Photography. Until then, may the Force be with you.